KLINGER are well known and trusted worldwide as a supplier of high-quality sealing products such as gaskets, packings and associated products to industries such as oil and gas, aerospace, pharmaceutical, chemical manufacturing and other industries where seal integrity is critical. KLINGER works in the toughest environments for sealing and fluid control. However, achieving flange and component integrity requires a lot more than simply selecting a high-quality seal. This is where KLINGER Field Services come into the equation. Ensuring component integrity starts well before a seal is installed. For gaskets, a KLINGER Field Services technician will inspect the equipment for alignment and parallelism and then use a comparator to ensure flanges and seal faces are within the specification required to achieve a leak-free startup when equipment is put back online. If flanges or seal surfaces require machining to bring them back into spec, this can be achieved using mobile equipment on site. KLINGER technicians can complete the task on any size flange or vessel prior to installation of the gasket. Studs and nuts are also inspected as part of the process. KLINGER engineers can assist with calculating appropriate bolt load of the flange or equipment and the type of gasket selected. These calculations are then reviewed and agreed with engineers on site. To achieve the calculated load, KLINGER recommends use of controlled bolting techniques. For smaller bolts in non-critical applications, a KLINGER technician will use hydraulic torque equipment in place of a wrench or spanner. This is much safer and far quicker than manual torquing methods. With any torque method, correct lubrication is essential on fastener threads and nut contact faces. The KLINGER technician will check this too. However, due to friction losses and other factors, load applied using torque methods will only be accurate to around plus or minus 30%. For critical applications, or where stud sizes are 3/4 of an inch or above, KLINGER recommend using hydraulic equipment to directly tension the studs. The designated bolt load can be achieved within an accuracy of only plus minus 3%, ensuring a leak-free startup every time. There are significant safety benefits using this method, and it's far more efficient with gasket installation up to 10 times faster than using manual installation and hydraulic torque techniques. For critical applications, ultrasonic bolt mic equipment is used to directly measure achieved stud extension and load. This data can then be uploaded into a database as part of an ongoing flange integrity management program. Residual loads can then be checked at any time in the future using the handheld bolt mic equipment. KLINGER Field Services are not just for static seals. One of the most time-consuming tasks in a maintenance program is repacking valves. Removing a worn, dried out, burnt, rock-hard valve and pump packing is very time-consuming using traditional corkscrew-style picks, and it often results in damage to valve stems, stuffing boxes and the like. Using the KLINGER Hydro Pick, the technician removes these packings using a pulse injection water jet. This method is ideal for site use, even in situ hazardous areas, as the intrinsically safe equipment requires only plant air to operate. This method causes no damage to the equipment and leaves it clean and ready for repacking. An additional advantage is that where valves are known to contain asbestos or the packing material is unknown, this method can still be used safely. As the Hydro Pick process douses the fibrous packing material as it's removed, asbestos debris can be contained using a simple bagging system, which is then sealed and passed on to a licensed contractor for disposal in accordance with relevant site procedures. A frustrating job that may have taken a day to complete on a large valve can now be done in a matter of minutes with no risk of damage to equipment or airborne fibre contamination. Savings can be enormous. So now when you think of KLINGER, don't just think of the best gaskets and seals. Remember that our field services team is here to save you time and money and to ensure the integrity of your plant and process equipment. KLINGER, trusted worldwide.